Hey YouTube, I just wanted to make a quick update on some commodity markets. We're looking at some monthly charts today, and this is the US dollar, and as you can see right now it is about 79, and back in 2003 it was 98. Okay, look at this. In the middle of 2008 it hit its low around 72 points or whatever they call it. But keep this in your back of your mind during the rest of this video here. But you can see where it is now. It's kind of like in a slight uptrend. You know, it's hard to look at it on a monthly chart, but this will give you an idea. We'll compare it to some others here. Okay, this is the Japanese yen monthly chart, and they're just, I mean, it's just in a real good uptrend. And most of our commodity markets, especially the grains, are exported out of this country. And you know, comparing the Japanese yen to the dollar, the yen is, you know, getting stronger, and it makes our commodities look cheaper to them, so they can import them quicker. I mean, easier, cost less to them. Okay, here's the euro. You remember all the riots in some of the countries that are going through. They're kind of struggling. They're almost in a kind of in a downtrend, I'd say. But look at this date, 2008. Okay, they were maxed out, and remember, on the US dollar we were tanking. So keep this in mind, and we'll continue. Okay, here's the corn chart. You know, back in the early 2003, 2004, we were running right around $2, $2.50, and then here it came up to, it's kind of a trading range of about $3.50, $4. But look at this. This year, we had a kind of a shortage of corn in the summer, and well, I mean, it got up to almost, well, $7.65 on the futures price. Then it came down, back down, and but now look at it. It's currently close to, well, $6.50 a bushel, and that's the current month's future price, you know, on the monthly chart. But it's about $1 less for next harvest, you know, coming up in about 6 months. It's about $5. But okay, we'll continue here. Okay, here's live cattle. Now they've made some record highs. It's right now it is about $110 per hundredweight of, this is beef on the hoof. You know, the average feedlot steer weighs about 1,100, 1,200 pounds, and so divide, you know, take $110 times 12, and that's what you're gonna get. So but the cash price is a couple bucks less than that, about $108 right now. But I mean, it's just phenomenal. I mean, it's been, I mean, this record territory. Okay, let's look at some. This is Kansas City Board of Trade red wheat monthly chart, hard red winter wheat, and okay, look at this date here now. Okay, here's 2008 again, and it came back down, and now it's kind of in a little uptrend again. We're right about, this is the futures price, so the local elevator price is usually 50 to 80 cents less, depending where you're located. than this, but it's kind of interesting. Okay, and a lot of people look at this. This is the Baltic. What do they call it? It's basically the shipping rates for overseas cargo dry goods. And let's see. Let's look at this date right here. This is June 3rd, 2008. It reached its high. Now the Baltic Dry Index. And well, let's see where it is now. It came back down in the end of '08, and right now it's not coming up very good. I mean, you're looking at good exports for grains, or the ability to export, and I mean, it's the supply and demand for cargo ships is not too exciting. So what does that tell you? Okay, let's go. Here's some rice, rough rice monthly chart. Nothing really too I mean, it's come up from where it's been in the last several years, but here's another date, 2008. It peaked out. So, okay, here's some sugar monthly chart, and I tell you what, I don't know what's going on with sugar, but yeah, it's doing pretty good. I'm sure sugar prices are reflecting that in the stores. And let's see what else we have. Okay, here's some soybeans. Here's this date here, 2008. Got up to, geez, almost a high of 1663. So, and right now it's coming up to 14 bucks. And this is, futures price for this current month. So, it's a little less for next fall harvest time, but it's there's been times it's been down to $6. But I think we're at a new level for the grain prices. I'm just gonna stay up to the next plateau, I think. Okay, here's crude oil. And look at this date again. 2008. Got up to 147 bucks a barrel. And right now it is 92 bucks. 91 bucks. But look how fast it changed. February 2009. January, February, got all the way down to 33 bucks. Boy, whoever had a long position here, they owned it. And I mean, they lost their butts. But whoever, and futures contracts, you can call up your broker and short a contract. You sell a futures contract here, and then you can buy it back here. But if you're on the wrong side of the trade, you got to make margin calls. And well, there's somebody there that lost their butt, or made a lot of money. But it's interesting. Okay, here's gold. Wow, look at this. All the way down from 400 bucks to 1420. And it's definitely in an uptrend. And that's it. You guys have a good day.